Hello guys, tonight I have something that you would like, something to fix the overheating of the 1060 GPU inside some laptops. The tools we're going to use in the MSI Afterburner to undervolt the GPU and a file which I already prepared for the 1060 GPUs. So let's get started. First, download and install MSI Afterburner. I already installed on my machine. So as you see here, this is the MSI Afterburner. You're not gonna do anything, just install it, open it, and check some things, close it. And the second thing is to download the file. A profile was already made. So this file, we're gonna copy it and we're gonna go to to the directory where the MSI Afterburner was made. In my case, it was program files, MSI Afterburner, profiles. And the trick here is to delete all the files inside inside the folder and paste the new file here. To ask for your permission, click continue, and bam, it's there. The second thing is to open the MSI Afterburner, but check first that it's already closed here. It's open. Check that the profile lock is open. Click the first profile. As you see, it's file well loaded. To check the curves, just press Ctrl and the F button. If you hide this, then everything is fine. You're gonna notice that it's not overheating anymore. And that's it. Just make sure to click this to make it start up with Windows, and we're done. Thanks for watching. I hope you see you in other videos. Goodbye.